Hi everybody. Today we are going to start second assignment of solid geometrical forms or basic forms. Um, all of you learned basic forms in standard 1 and 2. That is square, rectangles, circle, triangle. Everybody knows. Now when you are drawing square, you need to draw straight line. And as you know, all sides of a square is equal, is square. Then rectangle, circle, triangle. These are all basic forms. Okay. Now we'll go to the solid geometrical forms. Now what is the solid geometrical form? That is cube, then square prism and pyramid, cone and sphere. Now from square we will go to the cube. The cube has 6 sides, square has 4 sides. So how we'll draw? So first you need to draw vertical line which is parallel to the edge of the paper. That is very important. When you are drawing a line straight, that line should be parallel to the paper, edge of the paper. That means you are drawing a object in balance properly. Okay, this is straight line. Now we'll go to the basic line, base lines to the right and to the left, and another vertical line. Okay, now top lines. Now these are the two squares, right? So these two lines is parallel to each other. These two lines are parallel to each other, and these vertical lines, side lines 1, 2, 3, they are parallel to each other. Next we'll go to the top square. So you can draw this way and this. Now you can see 3 sides, 3 squares, 1, 2, 3. Now square has 6 sides. How can we show 6 sides? So you need to draw invisible line, and that should be parallel to the other vertical lines, or you can say dotted line, and then base line, another base line. So now these 4 sides, top and bottom, that is 6 sides. That is 6 sides. Okay. So this is cube. This is cube. Now from cube we'll go to the square prism. Now when you are drawing a square prism, same procedure, you need to draw vertical line properly. Okay, then base, vertical line again, third vertical line. These are all sides. Okay, top, this is square prism. Alright. Now from triangle to the pyramid. Now pyramid has 4 sides and base is square and pointed top is point. So when you are drawing a pyramid, again you need to draw square. And you will draw diagonals so that you will get the center of a base, and from this center point you will draw straight line. Draw straight line, and that is the height of a pyramid. Now this point we will join to the corners. So we can show the 3 sides, 1, 2, 3 sides, and base is 4. Alright, this is pyramid. Now we'll go to the cone. Now what is cone? Cone has a base of a circle. Base of a circle. We'll draw one center point, center of the circle. From there you draw a straight line. That is the height of a cone, and join to the corners. This becomes cone. This is cone. Alright. Now circle and sphere, they are different two parts. When you are drawing a plain circle on a paper, that is circle with the round we are drawing, that is circle. But sphere is a solid form of a circle. It is like we can say, for example, ball, leather ball, tennis ball, table tennis ball. They are all the spheres, heavy. Okay, so when you are drawing a sphere, first draw a light square. Sorry, light circle. And suppose light is from this direction, so obviously this portion will be in light, this is in middle tone, this will be in the dark tone. So when you are drawing shadows, you have to fill with the pencil strokes. At the beginning you will make little lighter, again you can give a more darker, then go to the middle tone, okay. Now this is shadow portion. So opposite side of a light is shadow. So here you can show the shadow of a sphere. This is shadow portion. Children, you can do with this pencil so that you can smudge the tones properly, mix the tones properly. This is clear. Similarly, we can shade to the cube also. If you take a cube lighting from this direction, suppose, so this portion will be in light, this is in the dark. So when you are showing a dark, again you have to shade it this way. You can do the crisscross shading also, no problem. But when you are shading, see that your stroke shouldn't go out of the boundaries of square, outsides of a square. Within a square, that you have to shade it properly. Okay, this will be in middle tone. And of course this is in a lighter tone. So that gives the solid effect because of the light and shade. Similarly, we will do to the pyramid like this, darker tone and light tone. You can show in detail. I am doing little rapidly. Then middle tone. To the cone also you can do shading to the left hand side. Assume that light is coming from the right hand direction. So shadow will be in the left side, opposite side of light. Okay, so now you have seen from basic shape to the solid geometrical forms. So you will draw neatly and nicely and shade it with pencil shading. Alright? Okay, bye.